stop today. Brought you to Bamburgh. So as you can see, we've got the castle behind here. We're going to take a walk down to the beach. Hopefully I'll get the drone set away again. Might be able to see the Farne Islands in the distance and get a good view of the castle and the beach. Okay. Again, lovely powdery sand here. A estuary. A few more people starting to come out now. It's 20 to 11 in the morning. So there's people out with their dogs and just enjoying the nice weather. As you can see over there in the distance, that's the Farne Islands. You can get a boat trip over there if you. My next stop, sea houses. You can get a boat over there. There's lots of puffins and sometimes you can see the seals and a nice trip out. You don't get seasick. But again, it's just a lovely stretch, and then you've got the castle over there. Just dramatic and lovely scenery, really. So this is kind of up towards the borders of Scotland now. First beach we visited, which was Cresswell's, probably about, I don't know, 25 miles outside north of Newcastle. So this one's a bit further up, and like I say, it's pretty much on the Scottish borders here. Maybe it's another 20 minutes up north, and you get towards Berwick, which is right on the border. Look at this. This is just an amazing stretch of beach here. And look at that. Unreal. It's a bit further up over that way. Don't know if you can see it or not. Try and zoom in. That over there, it's Holy Island. But you can only get there when the tide's out. But get so many people trying to cross when it comes in, and the amount of people that get stuck is unreal. I keep reading stories about it. Absolute idiots. But yeah, the shore's looking tremendous. I would say to anybody that hasn't been to Northumberland before, especially when you get weather like this, there's not many better places you can come. Beaches, and you've got castles, history. It's just a lovely place.